In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Microsoft Word. Indenting text is a simple but essential formatting tool that helps improve the readability of your documents, whether you are writing essays, reports, or professional letters. By creating space at the beginning of a paragraph, you can clearly separate ideas, organize content, and give your document a cleaner, more structured appearance. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and navigate to the section where you want to apply the indentation. Place your cursor at the beginning of the paragraph you want to adjust. If you wish to indent multiple paragraphs at once, simply highlight all of them before making any changes. One of the most common ways to indent text is by using the Increase Indent button on the Home tab. Look at the toolbar at the top of Word and locate the Paragraph section. Here, you will see a small icon that looks like a right-facing arrow on top of lines. Clicking this button will move your paragraph to the right, creating a standard indentation. Each click increases the indent incrementally, so you can control how far the paragraph is moved. You can also use the ruler for more precise indentation. Make sure the ruler is visible by going to the View tab and checking the ruler box. On the horizontal ruler, you will notice small triangular markers. The top triangle controls the first line indent, while the bottom triangle controls the left margin for the rest of the paragraph. To indent just the first line, drag the top triangle to the right. This is especially useful for formatting essays or documents that require a traditional first line indent. For more detailed control, you can use the Paragraph dialog box. Right-click the paragraph you want to format and select Paragraph. In the dialog box, you will see options under Indentation, including Left, Right, and Special. From the Special drop-down menu, you can select First Line or Hanging, depending on the type of indentation you need. Adjust the measurement to specify exactly how much space you want for the indent, and click OK to apply the changes. Indenting text in Microsoft Word is a quick and effective way to improve the structure and readability of your documents. By combining the Increase Indent button, ruler adjustments, and paragraph settings, you can create professional-looking documents that are both organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.